Whenever a visitor submits a form on your site, you can choose to receive an email notification, making it easy to stay on top of form submissions. By default, there should already be a notification that sends form submissions to the admin email address for your WordPress site. If you'd like to create a new notification, click Add New on the right-hand side of the screen. First, add a descriptive name for the notification, something that will help you easily identify it. Next, enter the email address that you'd like the notification email to be sent to. You could also choose to send the notification to the email address that the user entered on the form by clicking Select a field and choosing the email field. You can even set up conditional routing, allowing you to send the notification to different email addresses based on the options the user selected on the form. For this form, we'll stick with the easiest method and just use a static email address to receive notifications. The next step is to set up the different fields related to the email being sent. We'll start with the From Name field to configure the name of the sender. This field can be set to a static value, such as guest, or be dynamically populated from the merge tags on the right side of the field. We can use the first and last name the user submitted in the name field of the form by selecting the first name merge tag, adding a space, and then selecting the last name merge tag. Now, when this form is submitted, these merge tags will be dynamically replaced with the actual first and last name the user entered on the form. Next, we can use the From Email field to configure the email address that will be displayed as the sender of this email notification. There's also a Reply To field where you can set the reply address. Like before, this field can either be a static email address or a merge tag. If we use the email merge tag, it will be dynamically replaced with the email address the user submitted on the form. The Blind Carbon Copy field allows you to set an email address that will receive a copy of the notification email that is sent. This field is useful if you have an individual that needs to receive all notification emails. The subject and message fields are the most important parts of the notification. These fields are how you'll know the content of the form that was submitted. Just like the previous fields, you can use the merge tags to dynamically generate content. For instance, you can use merge tags to create a simple subject line that includes the user's first and last name. In the message field, we can then use the All Submitted Fields merge tag to create an auto-formatted message that includes all of the content submitted by the user. You could also create a custom formatted message by using individual merge tags. You can even disable the auto-formatting of the message and apply your own styles and formatting. Finally, you can enable conditional logic and specify the conditions for when this notification should be sent. Finally, select Update Notification and everything will be good to go. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for similar content. Thanks for watching.